Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Razqi Syahlevi with NPM 12051024 3032. So I am going to explain the assignment which is Burora gave me, the computer programming assignment, which I already wrote the code, and then now I'm going to break down one by one what did I just wrote. And then the first one is the first declaration class, the declaration, the main class declaration. So the public class means the file can be accessed by from outside, and then the class must match the file name here. It's nine this one, and then this is the main container where the program runs. And then the second one is the inner class employee. So the employee is class is placed inside the main class, so everything stays on one file. And then the static allows us to create employee objects directly inside the main method, and then this class acts as the blueprint of the unknown employee. And then the third one is the attribute, which is the this one is the private thing. So the private means this variable can only be accessed inside the employee class, which is they protects the data. And then the string is used for text from like name, birth date, and hire date and job. And then double is used for decimal numbers like the monthly salary. And then the next one is the constructor. A constructor is a special method that runs when we create a new object. And then this dot name refers to the class attribute, while the parameter name is the value passed in. And then the promote method is the public dot for, and the next one is the promote method, which is this public void promote double amount, and it increase the employee salary by the value of amount. And then void means is it doesn't return a value. And then this dot salary, uh, plus and this amount at the raise to the current salary. And then they calculate how they calculate annual salary methods. And the public double calculate annual salary methods calculates yearly salary by multiplying the monthly salary by 12. And the return sends the calculated value back to where the method was called. And then the display info method is the public void display info, this one. And then in the below it is prints all employee information onto the console, and then useful to check updates after a promotion. And then the main method is this one, the main code of the Java. The starting point of the Java program is this, and then everything inside this method runs when we execute the file. And then we create the object, which is I I created myself, my name, my age, my higher date, and then my job, and then my salary. And then I display the initial data with this, and then the promotion, and then the calculating annual salary. So now we are going to run the Java. So we are going to run it. So this is what I got. I already tested it for a while from that. So this is my employee data, and then the promotion, and the annual salary calculation. And then so this is my monthly salary is 10E7. And yeah, so maybe that's all. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a good night.